Hi everyone, it's Lee here, and it's that time of year again. I am so excited to be doing my unboxing. I do this every year. The unboxing for the Ali Edwards December Daily Kit 2022. It was on my doorstep this morning, and I'm so excited to go through everything. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, this is new. Ali Edwards, thank you for being a part of the community. I love that little touch. I don't remember getting a thank you card in the past with 10% off your next order. So this is everything. I really cut back a lot this year. I have so much left over from past years. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to do everything in this one video or if I'll do the main kit in one video and then all the add-ons in this video. We'll just go ahead and see. Here we go. It's packaged very well. Lots of paper. Good for the environment. Everything's safe and secure in here. At the top are some of the add-ons that I got. And I got the main kit and the Paisley Press mini kit. I'm guessing this must be the mini kit. Love the boxes this year with all the words on them. Merry and Bright, Good Tidings of Comfort and Joy, Noel, brown paper, beautiful. Here we go. This must be the main kit because the papers this year are in this fun folio, I guess is what you call it. So yeah, I think I'll do a separate video for the main kit contents. And the album this year, oh, it's absolutely beautiful. The shimmery foil on the trim of the word joy. I was almost tempted to do the 10 by 8 larger size this year with the Santas on the front, but I think I'm just gonna stick with what I know, the 6 by 8, and I couldn't pass up this beautiful album. And there's a little baggie here of additional add-ons. I got some really super sticky red tape. I have this in the 1 inch or the 1/2 inch, and this is the 1/4 inch. I also got some flip pockets. I usually make my own with the 3x4 pocket page I cut apart. So that will be a lot more easy this year. And oh, these are the 4x6 transparencies. That's new this year. I have these small word phrases. I thought these would be great for like little tabs. I don't have anything this size. And I got the cardstock pieces. And my absolute favorite that I get every year is the transparency and 3x8 cardstock bundle. That just comes with so much stuff. So I will go through that with you as well. Put the box aside. So in this video, we'll take a closer look at all the different add-ons. Here's everything, and we'll go through each one by one. So let's see what we have in this bag. The first thing is the Slick Writer pen. I always get one every year. I love this for writing on shiny Christmas labels, on gifts. It's a perfect pen for that. These are the fabric gold stitch boxes. And it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All kinds of them. Oh, they're beautiful. They're way more pretty in person. Next, we have the little bag of ephemera, the little cardboard or cardstock pieces. And there are so many of them. Holy moly. This is a big stack. One of the main reasons I purchased this separately was because of these Santas. I love the, thicker kind of cardstock, and then they lay flat Santas. I love that. And you have some trims with berries. Oh, the Christmas lights, always a favorite. Some holly berries, presents. Ooh, that's pretty. The presents have a kind of a gold foil bowl. Gold foil bow. Ooh, I love this wreath. That is so pretty with a little bow on the side. Ho, ho, ho. May your days be merry and bright. Some more wreaths. I won't go through every single one. And there are a bunch of craft themed die cut pieces, and they have the little foil, gold foil bits in there. Absolutely gorgeous. Next are this is the 2x2 circle and square bundle. And I think this is also new to this year. I've never seen this before. And it's basically pre-cut and beautifully decorated, and they can slide into your 2x2 pocket pages. There's how we do Christmas, Christmas tree, a fun sweater or toque, super basic December day, meet me under the mistletoe. Oh, that's cute, the little parcel. There's that wreath again. Joy, holly jolly goodness. Bring on the presents, making spirits bright. Best Christmas memories. And a little mistletoe. Those are beautiful. And then you have your 2x2s, holly jolly, some snowflakes, red stripe. Wishing you a Merry Christmas in gold shimmer. No place like home. This beautiful tree pattern. The stars. Joyful. Oh, that's beautiful and understated. Gorgeous. I think that one's my favorite with the presents. Oh, I love it. Stars. They have touches of gold and everything in the hat. Along the stars, outer trim. Oh, wow, and this one's all over. That is such a fun little bundle. I mean, you can always cut down your paper pack that comes with the main kit and make your own 2x2s, but sometimes it's fun just to, have the ease of just grabbing one all ready to go and sliding it in your 2x2 pockets. And I don't know about you, but I always have trouble figuring out what to put in those little plastic pages. Next are the glitter word phrases. At first I was unsure if I should purchase these. These were not purchased on the day of the release. I did these a little bit later. I saw Allie shows some examples of where she used these white words, and I was like, I gotta get it. So there's remember, peace, love, joy, around the tree. That's a beautiful font. And believe. Next up are the stitched black numbers. I have seen, I believe it was last year or the year before, she did white felt numbers with gold trim. And another year she had the big red numbers that were also felt. So this is the first time she's doing it with black. I really like this size. It's not too big, not too small. That's kind of like the size of my pointer finger. I would take out my ruler, but I'm just gonna go through it quickly. So you have numbers 1 through 10. And the vellum, is it vellum or plastic? I think it's acetate trees. Now, these were on my must-have list from the get-go. I honestly thought that these would sell out within minutes, so I went and purchased these first. I think it was between this and the plastic stars were like the first two things that I added to my shopping cart the moment we were able to order. So you get 5 beautiful, shimmery, super cute trees. And now we might as well go through the plastic stars. I love how they have it packaged. I don't know if this was intentional, but it's all kind of scattered around rather than all just kind of lined up and stacked perfectly. There's that beautiful Santa again, all kinds. I won't go through every single one. Tree, present, just beautiful gold foil everywhere. More green shades, blacks and whites. Believe, joy. This fun gray color. Ooh, this has the pretty sprigs. Counting down the days. Love these stockings. Trees, beautiful bundle of reds, polka dot stripes, stars. Ooh, cute little bunny. Gifts, make it merry, be good for goodness sake. Seeking joy this holiday season. More mistletoe. Oh, I love this. It says Santa over and over again in gold on red. Adore this season. Stars. More beautiful green. Peace on earth. Let your heart be light. Pretty snowflake. Magic is something we make. Reindeer. Stripes. Some holly. Actually, it looks like a cupcake. That's so cute. And this fun print with the reindeer and stars. Next up is the pin for 2022 with the pretty wreath. And then we have these awesome massive hearts. And these also have white stitching around the edge. And there are pockets, so you could totally like stick something in there if you'd like. So, you know, you take one of your stars. Ooh, that fits in there nice. Or you could put like a number or a sticker on the front. I love these. Baked with love, Merry Christmas, more twinkle, filled with joy, celebrate together, made with love. Next up, I'll take a moment and show you the stamp sets that I purchased. There were so many that I wanted, but I narrowed it down to these 2. I love the circles and the different sentiments and the pretty little squirrel and bunny and deer and the small little phrases, which are great. Next up, I got the 4x6 transparencies. And this comes with 3 4x4s and 3 gold foil transparencies. This one says Christmas, this one says joy, and this one says ho ho ho. Those are gorgeous. I don't know how Allie and her team keep finding such beautiful, unique designs. I also got the trees on the cardstock. Ooh, and the transparencies. I love getting the transparencies every year. There's been some years that I haven't purchased them in time. So now they're one of the first things to go into my cart. May your days be merry and bright. This beautiful repeated wreath pattern. Gorgeous. I think it gets more beautiful every year. Believe. This kind of blurry bokeh tree and fun little shimmery stars. Next up are the cardstock pieces. I really hummed and hawed about this. I didn't add it to my cart till the last day I possibly could. Since I'm using a 4x6 album, I knew this wouldn't fit in my album. I'm still not sure if I'll be able to get it in, because to get it fit in, it would get cut off. So unfortunately, purchasing this, I only have 2 usable pieces for my album, but I couldn't pass up this beautiful tree with ornament die cuts throughout. And I have two more things. The next up is the 3x8 bundle. And half of this bundle is a ton of transparencies. And the other half is the beautiful cardstock. And I mean, this paper is thick and sturdy. So you have Believe, Christmas, numbers 1 through 10. I love that font with the double strike through. Around the tree, stars, enjoy these moments, stripes, December traditions, more stars, peace on earth, sprigs, magical memories, more stars, best Christmas memory. I love this one, December days to remember, with gifts at the bottom, traditions we hold near and dear, and the bottom part is in foil, December moments, and pretty little stars. And for the transparencies, there's this one, it's all in gold. Here we are as in olden days, happy golden days of your faithful friends who are dear to us, gather near to us once more. Beautiful song lyrics, red stripes, Santas. Oh, there's that beautiful tree again with the golden star up top. There's more of that star pattern, kind of a frame, polka dots on black. This beautiful pattern. Wow, I love that. Oh, it's upside down, I think, with the birds and the candles and the wreaths. Christmas. Oh, gorgeous. Look at that. Ho, ho, ho. More of the gold kind of ferns and two more frames. I love those. They completely knocked it out of the park. And lastly, for this video, I purchased the 3 envelope bundle. And it comes with this kind of, it's a papery bag, so you can use it to put a gift inside. You could use it as an insert in your album. It's kind of like the packaging I've seen her put some of her kits in. So that is beautiful. I got it mainly because I love this dark print here. And then this one here is plastic, and it matches the same pattern on my album. So you could put in the little insert sticky tabs and have your envelope going this way, or you could like trim it down and repunch it or put it wherever you like. And the last one is kind of a plasticky, sheer, thin vellum. That is fun. 3 different envelopes, 3 different ways, which is kind of fitting because I believe her class this year is kind of like a choose your own adventure prep day. So they're gonna do a bunch of different products and people are gonna use the same products and show different ways that you can use them. So that's everything for this video. In my next video, I'm going to show my album, the mini kit, and the contents of the main kit, and the papers that come with the main kit. And the papers that are available this year were the 10x8s. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for part 2 of this video. And please let me know in the comments below, what are some of your favorite add-ons this year? I can't wait to start gathering a lot of my favorite pieces and getting my album situated. And every year I like to do a video gathering some of my favorite pieces and organizing my album just the way I like it, because I like to do foundation pages. And I'll leave a link in the description of where you can purchase some of these products. I believe she still has a lot of the main kit left, and she still has this album still available. So definitely check her shop, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.